washroom for myself few years back, and it had 2 windows on 2 sides which I got removed in order to prevent natural light. And for the few years that I used that small space, even though I had amazing artificial lighting, it felt smaller, dull and dungy than before. That is what made me realize how important natural light can be, even in small areas. So since then, I've been using a lot of it in all of my projects and of course in my home, wherever it's possible. Hi, I'm Sonika, an interior designer. Welcome to my channel Coloraza Architecture and Interior Design, and today we're going to throw some light on natural lighting. So let's get started. It is the light that our earth receives from the natural source, which is the sun. Light has the ability to shape form. It is like a spiritual awakening that seems to manifest its way through space. Every part of your space will receive it different during different time of the day and time of the year, depending on certain factors that we shall discuss today. I love how the light changes during the day and how it changes the dynamics of any space. Number 1, enhancing aesthetics of a space. It brings out a different, more lively look of the colors that appear in various finishes on the surface of furniture, walls, floor. No light bulb can duplicate that. A home filled with sunlight is cheery, warm and inviting. Number 2, less electricity consumption. It eliminates the use of artificial light. Electrical lighting produces a lot of heat, whereas natural lighting generates hardly any heat if it is properly controlled. Making use of natural light, you will use less electrical fixtures, thereby saving up to 75% of the energy, especially during the day. Number 3, increases serotonin, the happy chemical. Having natural light makes you happier as it increases serotonin, the happy chemical. It has been proved that it increases productivity and worker performance. Science has shown that simply being exposed to natural light for a short period of time can prevent depression in adults as well as children and boost one's spirit and reduce stress levels. Number 4, healthier environment. Another great benefit of using natural light in your home is that it reduces the amount of mildew and mold growth, keeping your space healthier for you and your family. So make sure to get enough natural light, thereby making your home a much healthier place. When you're planning your home or office, whether you're building from scratch or simply renovating, you can check the sun orientation and thermal situation. It is basically the placement of a building in relation to the sun to maximize the amount of heat gained during the coldest months and minimize the amount of heat gained during the warmest months. How we can understand this is that the sun rises from the east and sets in the west, and the light from all directions during the day differ, so you can plan your space accordingly. Now let's understand how the light falls from different directions. The north-facing rooms usually get a lot of diffuse light, so it's a good area to plan your storage, garage and study. The south-facing rooms get the most consistent light, so you should keep the south-facing windows smaller and you can plan your dining, living, playroom, terrace and balcony in this area. The east-facing room usually get the early morning sun. So if you're an early morning riser, it's good to have your bedroom, and it's a good idea to have kitchen, so it's cooler during the day. West-facing rooms usually get the afternoon sun, but you should avoid glare and overheating. So you can plan your winter rooms here. Now how to borrow natural light? Well, windows, planning skylights, and having courtyards if possible in your space is a great idea to borrow natural light. Now having natural light is a good idea, but how to prevent overheating? Well, some ways are frosted glass, curtains, blinds, louvers, and planting trees because it filters out the light. I hope this video was informative. In the next video, we are going to talk about artificial lighting. Do hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.